are you doing? Jack, turn around. Jack, why are you making so much noise? Huh? Over here. Look at Grandma. Jack. What? Jack. Over here. Look at Grandma. How come you're making so much noise? Huh? Tell me. Turn around. Whoops. Uh-oh. Careful. Careful. Hi. What you doing? Jack, look over here. Jack. Okay. What are you doing? Huh? You picking up the ball? Oh, there you go. Goodbye. What are you doing over there? Are you reading a book? Oh, wow. Look at those nice pictures. Can you buy me something from that book, huh? Could you buy Grandma a present?
In just over 3 years, the Queen will be the longest-reigning monarch in British history. What we have seen over the last 4 days is that there are plenty of people in this country.
Look at that. That's legs, huh? You were looking at the girl's legs today, weren't you? Then I know. Yeah. Yeah? What? Did you see something to buy in there, huh? Did you pick something out? Jack, look over here. Jack. Jack, look over here. What happened? You got it? Okay, you got it. Yeah, I know. He's rolling it up. What is that, huh? Who's in there? What? What do you see? What do you see? You see a picture? Look over here. Huh?